Hi guys, thank you for liking the other video, the one I made on using the Wacom tablet. A lot of teachers asked how to use a PDF in OneNote and how you can use that to write on it. So that's also a possibility here. The way you do, so make sure it's saved on your desktop. And then you need to bring your PDF in OneNote. So we'll do insert, file, print out, and this is where I saved one-step equations and click on insert. Okay. So it's right here. And also the good part here is even you delete that from your desktop or wherever that was originally there, it will still remain in OneNote. And this is how I use it, and this is how I structure my classes. And I know there's a lot of extra stuff here. See, and I have all my stuff here saved, and pretty much some of them has one PDF file, some of them I just write right here and then just project it to the students, and I write it here. And then sometimes I type the questions there, because when I erase it, it's easy to reuse it. All I need to do when I erase it, I don't need to worry about the typed one, and then I don't need to kind of select and then erase and or maybe accidentally erase other stuff. So it's a good idea to have the question typed up, and then whatever the work you're doing, you can just handwrite that one, and that way you can reuse your stuff. Anyway, let's go back to our special request, how to annotate a PDF using OneNote. So this is how you bring your OneNote. As I mentioned earlier, even you delete from your desktop, it will still remain in your OneNote. And I have all my stuff from previous years. Okay, anyway, so now we're back to the question. You can zoom in to write it down, and we go to the draw tab, and then just write it down. And not you guys can use different colors, whatever you want. And the other thing, one of the teacher asked, he's very new. I know when I was new to OneNote, but I think I grabbed pretty fast the way I use Wacom tablet. When you're writing, do not look at the tablet at all. Just look at the screen, and then it will help you to write better. Okay. Otherwise, if you look at the screen, your your words will be wherever. Randomly on the screen, because you're going to try to form the letters on the tablet. So don't try to form the letters on the tablet. Try to form the letters using OneNote. Just look at the screen. Okay, just ignore the tablet. You just think about your writing. Okay, so now here we will, this is how you write. So we subtract 8, cancel 8 out, 26 take away 8 is 18 equal B is equal to 18. So this is pretty much all you do. And then, yeah, this is how I use the worksheet with the students. Okay, so yeah, this is pretty much all you need to do. Is very easy peasy. And yes, the other thing, the Wacom tablet I use, it's this one, and I think the time I bought it, it was only $110 during a COVID time, and it's the same one, still working since 2019. So it's a pretty good. I think it's worth to spend your money here, and I will insert the link below my video. If you want to purchase, you guys can use my link to purchase the video. Purchase the Wacom tablet, and it's really worth it. And if you can afford the Bluetooth one, it's better, because you can move the tablet wherever you want, whichever corner of your classroom. You guys can use the wireless one. I don't have the wireless one, but you can purchase if you want. Okay, and this is pretty much all. Thank you very much, and please always put your requests down there, because I am not really super YouTuber here, and I only make a video sometimes whenever I feel like I should make, or sometimes I make when some other teachers ask a question. All right, so you learn, I learn at the same time. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video.